summertime. And I like cold sips of soda, picnics on the corner, just like summertime. Closing up my eyes to feel the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun, waving off the springtime and its humdrum, cleaning all the mud off of my bike. It shines, it shines, it shines, flipping all my coins into white light. I like blue skies and hot nights, kissed by the fire.